Alrighty, we're in a weaponry round.
Anyone want to watch the movie?
Hang on. Record.
Okay, so when do I do this grocery pickup?
Okay, we got it.
4 o'clock.
Let's go. Alrighty, we're already in the match. Here we go. What's that?
Go to the playground?
It is me. This is Sugar Knight. Oh no, nice homies. Okay, I was just. Oh no.
You don't have to.
No. Oh, man.
You guys don't want to. You guys don't want to, I'm okay with that.
Do you want to?
Well, yeah, I'm
Wait, that's only.
does anyone else want
Okay, let's go, 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 go.
John, would you go to the park and play?
Yes.
Yes. What about Mom and Dad?
Well, I mean, if y'all go,
Mom and Dad think
Oh, there's Cookie. Okay, final round.
Mama might want to.
you don't want to go?
Here. No, my best.
Ooh. No, it's not. Oh no! How is he doing this? Oh! I haven't gotten a single kill. You know what? I have to go for the gun. Yeah. Hopefully he doesn't say no RPGs. Gonna give him a warning.
Well, I can get
And there's stuff I can't get at Aldi. Like the stir fry sauce.
Oh man, this! No, no, no. Oh, I tried
And
to.
honestly, Aldi on a Sunday, it could be so
Oh man, how did I miss that? Oh no, 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 no! I'm gonna have to go for a knife. I'm gonna have to go for a knife. Oh my goodness! Man, this scar is so strong. I gotta go for this. I gotta go for the scar. Good.
5 o'clock.
Good aim.
Pick up. I don't know.
This is where we normally goes. I can
What do
hear
you
him.
want to do?
64. Boom!
Take those shoes off.
Finally. No. Ignore that. Oh, we have 2 stars. I have a good idea. Please. I'm gonna say 4.
Oh, baby, you're complaining about everything.
Even though both of them are.
So, is the park a yes or a no?
I'll follow car.
I mean, I'm 5 too.
Well, how windy is it? Kind of bit windy?
Let's see if he says. Okay.
Steve's moving. Steve's moving.
Living. We'll go to the park later, okay?
Hey, I think that's either electrical outlet or surge protector is hissing.
All I hear is something outside like a grasshopper.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to hear
There's.
it.
Let's see what he says. Nah, never mind. Let's go, 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 go. Big brain time. Gotta go down, go find me a sniper. Sniper. Oh, hi there. Oh, boom. Oh, my. Me? What's happening?
Outlet. Crackling.
What? Oh man, we got some randoms. Wait, dude's got aimbot. Dude, I won. Wait, no, Gunner won. Never mind. I don't know what his real name is.
We'll do it?
We can't tell if it was the outlet before or if it might be my foot.
If there's for me, it's the brick out.
Because I feel like I may have, like I almost kind of want to say it's the brick.
Okay, we're now gonna do a partner server battle. Okay, yes, do. So let's go. Servers. Look at these.
I got it. I got a solution. All boys go to the park and all girls stay here.
I'll be going to the park, you know.
Well, I don't want to go.
I want to go to the park because you're going to the park.
I do.
I don't want to.
Okay, Gunner's joining. No, I don't know. I think that's just his user, like his gun game. Yes, definitely gun game.
How much is our dinner?
I don't know, it doesn't matter, it's already been submitted.
Go with Sandstorm.
What?
I didn't know if we were going to possibly change it.
No, I was
What did
asking.
you say?
Well, actually,
What?
I'm delicious.
What did you say, John?
I wasn't talking to you.
What were you saying? What were you saying?
I was just saying good luck.
Really?
Yes, I was.
What did you do?
We have to talk to you. That's how you're here. We have to talk to you.
It's just a thing. You know what that is?
Okay, we both start with a Glock 17, which is the worst. Go. Wait, what? Wow, he tricked me.
Did you 5 p.m.?
Bro, he tricked me.
No, I just pulled it back.
Okay.
Oh no, he's got the UMP 45 and I got the lame
What do you
Glock.
want to do then?
Ooh, I see him.
Mama.
Oh no, wait, look at him.
What
so.
I don't really want to know.
Here we go.
Okay, but that's fine, but you're not gonna sit there and complain and talk and cause problems and say you're bored.
I swear if it's a
You're
good
not
one.
gonna do that.
That was a shocker.
Okay, well, you're gonna do it.
That's
You're
good.
not gonna get mad if nobody else is playing with you or get an attitude because nobody's playing Roblox with you. We're not gonna do that. Promise?
So who's my favorite?
We just won't go. John, look at the cat. The cats were kissing at your foot.
Oh, wait, don't shoot.
Mommy, I'll let John.
What's he gonna say? Boom, let's go. Hey, let me go. Get it. Here we go. Nice. Here we go, here we go. Oh, that's today, that's today. Man, he's got really good aim. Oh, I definitely can beat that. What?
Guess I want to finish coloring my picture.
Is that what you want to do?
Maybe he's gonna come out of nowhere. Oh no, no, wait,
Go
wait,
to the park now. Walk around. Go to a different park. Like, go do something, and then take a groceries and come home, and then hang out on the couch.
We only have an hour-ish.
Yeah, go.
But then it just said, due to high demand, please verify that your order is actually ready before. Good. Yeah, I'm just not so sure.
Solo, solo, solo.
John, your sister's name. You think so?
Yes.
Shut the door, please.
No, she can stay out there.
I'll just sing if she wants to.
Oh man, our children are so much fun.
He's coming.
It's a ball of fun happening around here. Woohoo!
Oh. No. Wow. Finally, I love this one. That. Boom! 360. 360. Okay. 360. No, 360. Go. Oh, man. I was like, that was funny. Oh, man. No. What the? Where did that come from? Huh? Hey, where did that come from?
Do the mermaid one. Can I do this one?
Yeah, need to.
That was odd. What the?
Huh?
Yeah.
Where is it? Ah! What?
Are you covering the mermaid?
What?
Yeah, I'm covering
Okay.
the mermaid.
Oh my! I shot the 6th one from up there. Man, I gotta get up there. But how? Pole. Oh man, get it. Pole. Napoleon. Get it. Pole. There. Napoleon. Oh
Cover on the back of it?
Whoa! No, not today.
You know you didn't.
I'm trying to.
Can you guys leave on the floor, please?
Oh man.
Yeah, just.
Oh my god. You see, he's trying. I can't. Oh my. Ah! How is he getting me?
I don't think all of it will fit. So I'll just put it beside it. Some of it.
Oh my god. Oh. No. Okay. It's gonna go that bad. That only thing does 100 damage, but headshot does 150. Nice shot. Ah!
Wow.
Oh! You're trying to make me lose a level? No, you are.
No, you are.
No, not today, Gunner.
We're gonna be stuck.
Okay.
What the?
I gave you 2.
I was so close! Oh, I can't defeat him. Oh, I don't trust this.
Wow, this is a lot of stuff.
No! How did he know? How did he know? Oh, oh no! Boom! No! Okay. Here we go. Wait, whoa! Where is it coming from? Oh, I see. Bet I can win. I got to be very good. Attack! No. Oh! Not today. Boom! Oh, we're tied. Here we go. Listen, bro. No, not today. Loading. Dude, really just keep dying. But wait, if I get up with my knife, I can be a little late. Why did I just do that? Ah!
He does that. He's a scary boy.
He's asking for 2 kills.
I need these. Wait, do I have to like just come over here? Do I have to come over here?
That's what you do.
I don't know. I need a neon blue. Did you use neon blue for this?
No, if you want neon blue, it's this.
Ugh.
Well, do you wish you were a mermaid?
Sometimes.
I want to be a mermaid right now. Mom, how do you actually color like that? How do you actually color like that?
Like what? Just there's lots of colors and you go slowly.
One more.
Wait, I know what skin color is.
Oh no.
That's a neon. Silly.
From the pyramid. No, I didn't finish it. Which one was it? Mommy, the other way isn't the fast. But you can still stay in the line. Look. Like this.
You get there, I can touch the mountain. When do it there?
Well, it's a good day for you to take a nap. Raise your hand if you want to watch. Raise your hand if you want to make a movie together.
Oh, what?
Movie together.